Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Just doing a video of our 69 K10 here. Turn our air on. Classic air. There you see your gauges working. Fuel temp at a quarter. There's your fuel injection. Sniper. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the right. Horn does not work. This must be about the only thing that doesn't work. Wipers, I showed you that. Show the lights and the air's working. And these are just a turn on, don't light. Show you the lights. Let's take a listen to it. Got a 383 in it. Added fuel injection motor is built down in Arizona. Got the cooling fan, electric cooling fan. We added the fuel injection in the AC. So got a nice little bump to it. So we restored this truck. Beautiful truck, runs awesome. Now the fuel injection and the AC. So any questions? 605-695-7391.